Welcome to the best picks. The Best Exercise Slides Discs is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools you can add to your home workout routine, allowing you to engage muscles in a completely new way and offering a low-impact yet highly challenging experience that can significantly boost your core strength, balance, and overall muscular endurance, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their fitness game without the need for bulky or expensive gym equipment, and they are perfect for a wide range of exercises targeting everything from your glutes and hamstrings to your abs and shoulders. Number 5. HPYGN Resistance Band Set. Introducing the HPYGN Resistance Bands, designed for comprehensive full-body workouts. Achieve up to 150 pounds of resistance with 5 stackable bands, perfect for building muscle, burning fat, or rehabilitation. Experience a premium, heavy-duty design crafted for safety and durability. Our bands feature natural latex, steel buckles, and non-slip cushioned handles for a secure and comfortable grip during intense sessions. These exercise bands are scientifically designed to help you burn fat and build muscle effectively. They boost stamina, improve coordination, enhance flexibility, and target all major muscle groups for a complete workout. Ideal for physical therapy and recovery, these bands help restore mobility and strengthen muscles. They provide positive and negative force, aiding in stretching, toning, and conditioning all major muscle groups. Take your fitness anywhere with this portable set. It includes everything you need for yoga, Pilates, HIIT, and strength training, fitting easily into your home, office, or outdoor workout routine. Give the gift of strength and flexibility with these versatile workout bands. Suitable for all ages and fitness levels, they come with a training guide and make an ideal present for any health and wellness enthusiast. What we like? If you're looking for versatile strength training and physical therapy options, these are for you. They offer a wide range of resistance levels and are built for durability and safety. Choose these if you need a comprehensive home gym solution that can adapt to various fitness goals, from muscle building to rehabilitation. What people say. These are great for core workouts and can be used on carpet or hard floors. They are lightweight and portable, making them easy to take with you anywhere. The smooth gliding surface provides a good challenge for a variety of exercises. Number 4. Elite Sportz Core Sliders, Pack of 2. Introducing the Elite Sportz Core Sliders, a compact pack of 2 designed for a comprehensive full-body workout. Perfect for any fitness enthusiast, these gliding discs work on both carpet and hardwood floors. Experience intense workouts without the strain. These exercise sliders allow you to push your limits while keeping pressure off your knees and ankles, whether you're at home or in the gym. These multi-purpose gliding discs can be used on virtually any surface. They are ideal for full-body routines and can effectively target lower body strength as foot sliders. Featuring a dual-surface design, these sliders are built for durability and smooth performance on carpet, hardwood, or tile. They are perfect for daily training and offer consistent results. Lightweight and slim, these sliders fit easily into your gym bag or a drawer. Take your fitness routine anywhere, from traveling to home workouts, as they are always ready to move with you. Looking for effective fitness equipment to reach your goals? Give these sliding discs a try to become a happier, healthier you. They are perfect for both home and gym use. What we like? If you want a low-impact way to engage your entire body without stressing your joints, these are a great choice. Their dual-sided design means you can use them on any floor type, making them incredibly versatile. Consider these if you travel frequently or have limited space and need effective fitness equipment on the go. What people say. These are great for a full-body workout and can be used on carpet or hard floors. The discs are lightweight and portable, making them easy to take with you to the gym or on vacation. They provide a challenging workout that targets your core, legs, and glutes. Number 3. Elite Sportz Core Sliders, Pack of 2. Introducing the Elite Sportz Core Sliders, a compact pack of 2 dual-sided gliding discs designed for a full-body workout. Perfect for any fitness enthusiast, these sliders are also a great small gift for athletes. Experience a hardcore workout while being kind to your joints. These exercise sliders allow you to push your limits without putting pressure on your knees and ankles, whether you're at home or in the gym. These workout sliders discs are designed to glide on all surfaces. They are ideal for full-body routines and can be used as effective foot sliders to enhance lower body strength. Featuring a dual-surface design, they work perfectly on carpet, hardwood, or tile. These durable sliders are built for daily training and provide smooth performance on various floor types. Lightweight and slim, these floor sliders fit easily into any gym bag or drawer. Take them traveling or use them at home, they are always ready to move with you. If you're looking for fitness equipment to help you reach your goals and become healthier, give these sliding discs a try. They are perfect for both home and gym workouts. What we like. If you're seeking a workout that's easy on your knees and ankles while still being highly effective, these are ideal. They work on both carpet and hardwood, offering smooth gliding for a full-body challenge. You should pick these if you value convenience and need a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your fitness routine anywhere. What people say. These are great for a full-body workout and can be used on carpet or hard floors. They are very portable and easy to store, making them perfect for travel or small spaces. The smooth gliding action provides a challenging yet low-impact workout for your core and lower body. Number 2. Beast Gear Core Sliders. Tired of sit-ups that hurt your back? These discs intensely work your deep abdominals to build a rock-solid core the functional way. Lightweight and compact, you can easily pack them to train wherever you go. Target your abs, legs, glutes, or get a full-body workout on the move. These double-sided discs glide smoothly on most surfaces, including carpet and hardwood. They provide a stable and comfortable exercise experience without damaging your floors. Whether you're rehabilitating back pain or training like an elite athlete, these sliders build the functional core strength you need. They're great for interval training, Pilates, HIIT, and fat loss. At 7 inches in diameter, these fitness discs are perfect for home, the gym, or travel. They are an excellent addition to your home gym equipment. What we like. If building a strong, functional core is your priority, these are the sliders for you. They are designed to intensely target deep abdominal muscles and can be used on virtually any floor surface. Opt for these if you need a compact solution for core strengthening, interval training, or even as a supportive tool for back pain rehabilitation. What people say. These discs are great for core workouts and add a new challenge to traditional exercises. The smooth gliding surface works well on both carpet and hard floors, making them versatile for home use. They are lightweight and portable, easy to pack in a gym bag for workouts on the go. Number 1. Gaiam Core Sliding Discs. Introducing Gaiam Sliding Core Discs, designed to engage and strengthen your core muscles. These versatile sliders are perfect for any home workout routine. Target key muscles with a variety of exercises like lunges, squats, and upper body movements. These gliding discs offer a comprehensive workout for your entire body. Featuring a dual-sided design, these fitness sliders work seamlessly on both carpet and hardwood floors. Take them anywhere, from your home gym to your local fitness studio. These compact and lightweight workout pads are easy to take with you. Exercise whenever and wherever it's convenient, making fitness accessible on the go. Sold as a pair, these discs are built to last. Their durable construction ensures they can withstand your daily exercise routine for consistent results. What we like. If you want to effectively engage and strengthen your core muscles with a simple yet versatile tool, these are a fantastic option. Their dual-sided nature ensures they work seamlessly on both carpet and hardwood floors. Choose these if you prioritize portability and need an easy-to-use piece of equipment for home workouts or gym classes. What people say. The discs are smooth and glide well on carpet. They are lightweight and easy to carry around. The size is perfect for various exercises and fits well under feet and hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.